Hello guys, I'm here again and welcome to Bib's Life in the US. Today guys, mag-i-install tayo ng flower sa wall. Installing flower in the wall. Let's start guys. Ayan. Gagamit tayo ng post pin. Like this. Oh. Post pin. Yung leaves guys, hindi ko na tinanggal yan kasi dating leaves pa yan eh. Hindi ko na siya tinanggal. I think need to put this orange. The other side. Orange. I think next is green. Then you need to put the green over here. And next, yellow. Color yellow. Yeah, like that guys. Yellow again. Ayan guys. And then I think orange. Put the orange again. Put orange. And then this side is orange. Ayan guys. Ito yung gawa ko guys na bagong design na rose eh. Ganito siya. Okay, done na guys. Ayan, ganyan na pag-install. Ito, ano yan siya, cardstock. And then this one is vinyl. Vinyl. And then, over here, pwede kang maglagay ng ano, example, names. Any kind of names. Or, example, maglagay ka ng ano, like anniversary over here. Or best wishes, Mr. and Mrs. Collins, like that. Or ano, example, wedding. Or kung gusto mo pang magdagdag ng flower dito, ganyan. Pwede rin. Dadagdag ka ng iba, mga ganito din, pero mas maliit na size na ang idadagdag mo dito. Yan. Dito. Yan. Ganyan siya guys. Taran! Hope you like guys to our new design. I think maglagay ako ng names dyan. Let's see. Ayan guys, nag-install ako ng name sa sa wall. Ito. Installing name in the wall. Yay! Dance, dance, dance. Ayan, ganito lang guys, mag-install ng decor sa wall. Ayan. Like that. And then you need to remove this. This is oro tape. Need to remove this oro tape. Turn. Dahan-dahan lang ang pagtanggal guys kasi minsan ito hindi siya nag-stick sa wall yung vinyl. Kaya kailangan dahan-dahanin nyo lang sa pag-remove. Slowly lang, slowly. Slowly but surely. Ayan. Ganyan guys. Ayan guys, dumikit na siya sa wall oh. Ayan. You need to slowly. Slow motion ba guys? Slow ko. That's fine. This is stressing. Usually hindi siya nag-stick sa wall ito kasi hindi ko ito ni squeeze eh. Ito lang ang squeeze ko yung name. Kaya hindi siya masyadong dumikit sa wall. Kaya yan, sumama pa din siya sa oro tape. Ganyan. Kaya kailangan squeeze nyo bago nyo tanggalin ang oro tape. So that's why the vinyl not comes out. Already stick to the wall. Taran! What's the name? Kayla. The name is Kayla. Kayla. Ayun. Ayan guys. Ayan, dahan-dahan lang guys. Ang pag-remove, dahan-dahan lang. Yun, taran. Pag maliit lang yung wall decor nyo, pili nyo yung install na alone. Pag yung wall decor your wall decor is like this, bigger, so you need someone to help to install the wall like that, because you don't carry to install alone if the wall decor is like this. No, you need help someone. Ayan guys. Ayan. So, and then you need to remove this. This is the line only. Turon! Ayan na guys. Done na. Installing the wall decor. Ayan na guys. Yan. Ayan na guys, dahil natapos ko nang ilagay yung yung pangalan, your names, done, install the name. So this time maglagay na ako ng flower. Ayan. This is right over here. White. And the other side also white. Yeah. It's side over here. White also over here. And then next color, that size is large size, and this one is medium size. Medium. Again, the other side, same medium. Medium siya, medium. Ayan. Yan na guys. Balit. 2 colors pa lang yan. The last color, that is small size. This one. Small size. Ilagay natin dito guys. And then the other side, same. Ayan na guys, dance na. Done na. Yan, flower and names. Maganda siya sa mga rooms. Ilalagay nyo sa mga rooms, sa iyong mga kid bedroom, like this. Oh. Lagyan yung pangalan. Kung gusto mo rin ng middle, example, middle name over here, like letter K over here, before you install the name, pwede rin siya. Ganyan. Tapos, lagyan mo ng ganitong flower. So, depende na sa inyo yan kung anong arrangement ang gusto nyo or like that. Over there, lot of flowers. You put lot of flower, that's fine. It depends upon you. But this is like a simple only. Oh, simple but nice. Ganyan. Okay, bye-bye guys. And hopefully you enjoy to our video today. And don't forget to thumbs up below. No. And don't forget to TikTok. And don't forget to subscribe below. And thumbs up to our channel. And don't forget to check out our Bib's Closet and it's Abby and Mikari. And also check out guys to our visual decor in Itchy and Abby. Bye-bye guys and see you to the next video. God bless you all. Bye.